Hello guys, this is my Insignia B and it is with Bose audio system, so it doesn't have spare tire. I've bought this spare tire from another car and it stays in the trunk, which is not very convenient, but I want to have spare tire. Down here, this is the subwoofer, and some of you told me in the comments that I can put the spare tire here and the subwoofer inside the tire. So now I'm going to try this. First, let's remove the subwoofer. Now disconnecting the cable. It's hard to do it with one hand, so let's just pull it out. And the subwoofer is out. This was very easy. Now I need to remove all of this and try to put the tire here. Everything is out. Now let's clean it. And now the spare tire is on its place, but as you can see, I need to fix that. I've put some cardboard on the bottom. Now let's put the subwoofer inside. It fits. But the tire is still moving, so I need to do something. I've used some more cardboard on the sides and now the tire is not moving. Let's tighten it finally. It's a little hard with one hand. And now the tire is on its place, the subwoofer is inside, nothing is moving, everything is fixed perfectly. And that's it. It was very easy to do. So thanks for the person that told me to put my spare tire here. Now closing this cover. There is some gap here, but it's not a problem. And now I have free trunk. If you want to see more Insignia videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.